Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by creating a quick backup of the project. This prevents data loss. Open Alight Motion and load the specific composition where the graph error appears, then scrub to the exact layer and timestamp showing the issue. Once done, tap the keyframe or graph icon to reveal the motion curve editor. Make sure to switch to numeric view if available so you can see values. This helps isolate whether the error is a curve glitch or a corrupted keyframe. You now isolate which channel, position X, Y, scale, or rotation causes the graph error. Once isolated, select contiguous suspicious keyframes and reset them to their nearest default or previous good value. This often removes spikes. If resetting breaks motion, copy a functioning curve segment from an adjacent layer or earlier timestamp and paste it over the corrupted section. Make sure to smooth tangents and use linear to Bezier conversions to preserve intended motion while removing the error. You finish by previewing the fixed graph at full quality and scrub frame by frame to confirm consistent motion through the previous error point. Once satisfied, export a short test clip to ensure the fix persists in rendering. If the graph error returns or distortions persist, recreate that layer from scratch. Copy assets, reapply effects, and rebuild keyframes cleanly. This eliminates hidden corruption. One key troubleshooting tip: clear app cache and restart Alight Motion before rebuilding to avoid cached corruption.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.